Thank you for joining us at Car System Installation. Today I show you what's the reason you would like to choose a professional installer and not just the best price you get. So in this case we just have a dash camera, and as we can see we have the wire running nicely from the camera to the inside of the vehicle. And I don't think that will be something that a lot of people would like to see in their vehicle, especially when the door is down. You can see the wire dangling. The front camera, we see all the wires are running around the mirror. Very messy, not a clean look. Again, sometimes you pay more for professional installer, but it's gonna look well, but it's also gonna work well. You won't have a cable that goes under a plastic carpet to connect to your lighter. It's gonna be actually done properly. For more electronics, you can always find us at Car System Installation. Subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time. Have a good day.